Now the question of exercise 8.1, first question, that is, evaluate the following. The first part is sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. Okay, this is very simple question. You just have to put the values of sine 60, cos 30, sine 30 and cos 60 in this equation, and we will get the answer. Now what is sine 60? That is root 3 upon 2. Okay, what is cos 30? That is also root 3 upon 2. And sine 30, that is 1 upon 2. Cos 60, that is also 1 upon 2. Okay, now root 3, that become 3, and 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 1, 1 upon 4. Now take the LCM 4, it will become 3 plus 1, it is 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So the answer of your first part, that is sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1. One of the very simplest question of this exercise. Okay, now question number third part of question number 1 of exercise 8.2, that is cos 45 degree upon secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Okay, first of all we have to put all the values by using the trigonometric table. That is, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, secant 30 degree is 2 upon root 3, and cos 30 degree is 2. Okay, now as it is in a fraction form, we will write it as 2 upon 1 also. Okay, 1 upon root 2. Now in the denominator part we will take the LCM, that is root 3, and numerators become 2 plus, we will cross multiply, is 2 root 3. Okay, now we will write it as 1 upon root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, to solve this to numerator and denominator, we have done it. Now it become root 3 upon, multiply it, 2 root 2 plus root 2 into 2 root 3, it become 2 root 6. Now our question is completed here, but as there is a irrational numbers in the denominator, we have to rationalize it. Okay, now we will rationalize it here. That is root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 multiply by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, that means that you know that for rationalize the term will become will remain same, but only we will change the sign of this expression. Okay, now multiply this by root 3. Okay, we will get 3 multiplied by 2 root 2, we will get 2 root 6, and from here we will get 2 multiplied by minus 2 root 6, we will get 2 root 18. Okay, now again in the denominator it is a plus b, a minus b, 2 root 2 का square minus 2 root 6 का square. Okay, now what we will do 2 root 6 into 2 root 18 upon, that is 2 into 2 4, and root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 2, so we will get that is equal to 8. Okay, minus 2 into 2 4, and root 6 into root 6, that is 6. So 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, now 2 root 6 upon, can we write it as 9 into 2? We can write 18 as 9 into 2. Here we get minus 16. 2 root 16. We will take 3 as at outside. We will get 6 root 2 upon 16. Okay, what we will get 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 upon 16. Now we will take common, that is, now we will take minus 2 as common. Okay, minus 2, we will get minus root 6 plus 3 root 2 upon minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled, into 1 into 8. Now we can write it as 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. This is your answer of this question. Okay. It's fifth part of question number 1 of exercise 8.2, that is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. This is also same as the previous part, but here we have squares. Okay, now first of all we have to put the values of all these trigonometric ratios. Now 5 into cos square 30 degree, 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2 ka square. Okay, now 4, we have to put the value of secant 30, that is equal to 2 upon root 3 ka square minus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1, that means 1 ka square. Okay, now upon secant square 30 degree. Secant 30 is 1 upon 2 ka square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 ka square. Okay, now the half of the question is done. That means we have put the value. Now we have to solve it. How we will solve it? 5 into 1 upon 2 ka square, 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 3, 2 ka square 4, root 3 turn into 3 minus 1 upon 2 again 1 upon 4, and root 3 upon 2 become 3 upon 4. Okay, now simplify it. It become 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus 3 का upon 4. इसका हमने LCM ले लिया and it become 1 plus 3. Now take the LCM of these two, 4 and 3, it become 12, and we will solve this numerator part also. Okay, then when we take the LCM we will get 12, it become 15 plus 64 minus 12 upon 4 upon 4. Okay, now it become, when you solve it, it is 67 upon 12 and the denominator become 1. So your answer is 67 upon 12. Okay.